Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Nightcrawler Fishing. I'm Andrew and today I want to show you how to make your own soft plastic lures from the comfort of your garage or shed or anywhere else at home. I want to show you what you need to start, what to buy, and then how to get to that finished product. So to begin, you will need some plastisol. Plastisol is polyvinyl chloride and it kind of looks like a milky substance. There's many different brands and types. Most of them come from America, England or China. It's pretty hard to get an Australian made version. I'm using the American version here. I've got a couple of different sorts. I like to use dead-on plastics or bait plastics to make my lures. You'll also need Pyrex jug, a glass jug. You will need an injector. You'll need a selection of molds. These are CNC aluminium machined molds, or you can use these stone molds, or the other option is silicone molds. Silicone molds you can make your own, and I want to show you how to do that in another video. So this one is a little prawn silicone mold made up from RTV silicone or room temperature vulcanizing silicone. Usually comes in two parts: the silicone itself and the catalyst agent. You'll need some glitter for the sparkle. I've got green, black and many other sorts. These ones are all high temperature glitters. I've got some holograph glitter there too. You'll also need some colors or some pigments. This liquid colorant is like a motor oil watermelon type. I've got white, purple and others. You can use these mica powders too. They come in a range of different sorts and are awesome. That's the main things. You'll need usually like a Tupperware container filled with water to cure your lures. You'll need a cheap microwave. I got this one off Gumtree for $15. Like, it's not an amazing microwave by any stretch of the imagination, but it's clean, it's tidy, it works, and it does the job. Next thing to do, let's start. We'll do up a batch. We'll make a few different types of lures here. Prawns, grubs, minnows, 4-inch frog, 4.5-inch swim bait or minnow. We'll do these ones up in a white and black flake. Probably throw a little bit of holographic stuff in there too. Alright, so we'll use the, actually I might make that one too. We'll do up the 3.5 minnow too. Use the injector to suck up the plastisol out of the cup and pour into the ports. So some of the other materials that are pretty good to use: some measuring spoons for the glitter, a metal knife or metal spoon for stirring the plastisol, clamps for clamping the molds into place, glove, mask and other PPE. Okay, so I'm just going to take this plastisol, gently move it around. You don't want to shake it up. If you shake it up, you aerate it too much and it gets too many bubbles in it. So just moving it around, leave it upside down for several minutes, and what that will do is stop it from hard packing. So leaving this too long in one position forces the resin to sit at the bottom. So what that does, if the resin sits at the bottom, when you mix it up, you can end up with plastisol that's too thin, too thick, too soft, or plastisol that just doesn't cure properly at all. So next I'm just going to pour about half a cup. Jug. We might do a full cup today actually. Right, in it goes to the microwave. 2 minutes. Boom. So you can see at the moment that plastic is starting to become clear. It's still not quite through that gel coat phase. You can see those lumps. That indicates that it still needs further cooking. So a good stir. It's a couple of bubbles there too. They'll dissipate with time. So we want to mix it right up. Get all those lumpy bits back down there. And as you know, when you cook anything with a microwave, the top cooks first. So it's important to get all those bits that are down the bottom mixed up and mixed in. So we're going to keep cooking this one now in 20-second intervals because it's pretty close. It's not quite there yet, so we don't want to burn it. Alright, that's looking perfect now. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops of white. Black flake. Yes, baby, it's gonna be good. Slip. Some holograph in there too. Alright, gonna give that a good mix. Yeah, look at that. Okay, next step is we're gonna suck some of that up into injector. Start with this baby. Another 3-inch minnow, floody season. Spruce top nicely. Beautiful little white pepper prawn. Oh yeah. Come on. Yeah, you can. Beautiful. A little splash pond there. That'll cue. Subtle variation with the colours. The first one was quite clear with the holograph sparkle. And the second one was pearl white pepper prawn. Whole prawn, perfect. Duck. Perfect. This is so tiny. Look at this little baby. It's worked perfectly. Let's check out this swim bait, see if she's worked. Oh yeah, baby. Looks good. Nice big swim bait. How's this baby looking? Oh yep, on the money. That is a kick-ass minnow. Nice long super sweepy tail. 3-inch, pop the screw back in there. Mold is a cracker. Shoots perfectly every time. Even with bad heat, it's on. Bit. Alright, let's check out this little baby. Yeah, this one shoots perfectly every time as well. Ooh, Broom are gonna love this. It's a little easy shiner. 2-inch easy shiner. Alright, check this frog out. What's up?
What are you doing that?
Making some lures.
Yeah, I like those too.
So you are?
Yeah.
Come in, Daddy will take you in a minute. Come
What are these? I don't know.
Alright. Froggy frog. It's a good looking frog. Shoot.
Let's go back home. Whoa, look at blue one. But see, it's dark out here. You go back there. Come go bananas.
You take. Perfect.
Ooh, I see. I didn't see that. I can't see. I can't see. I.
big sprue. Finished product. 4-inch frogs, 3-inch minnows, 2-inch easy shiners, 3-inch prawns, 2.5 grubs, 4.5-inch swim baits, 2 colours, 3 colours were clear. Motor oil, peppercorn, black and holographic flake. Just in time for boom bass and flighties.